your house smelling good for 3 days and 3 nights. Even your neighbors will smell the perfume. To start this tip, we will need 3 lime. I'm sure you will be surprised by the result. First, using a knife, we will remove the tip of the lime and then cut into 2 parts just like I'm doing. It is very important to be careful not to cut the lime completely. Let's repeat the process with all the limes. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Sam Hunt from New Zealand. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes now. I will transfer each of the limes into small containers and add a tablespoon of coarse salt. This recipe will surely surprise everyone who visits your home. I will also add 2 tablespoons of alcohol. I'm sure after making this tip, you will come here to thank me for the result that we'll have in your home. Any visit I receive asks me about the wonderful smell that perfumes all environments. In this first lime, I will use only alcohol and coarse salt, but let's make each of them with a different smell. Again, I will add a tablespoon of coarse salt and a lime. This time we will use 2 tablespoons of fabric softener. It is perfect to apply in your room. Your sheets and clothes will always smell soft and pleasant. Tell me if you've used coarse salt and fabric softener to clean your home before. I'd love to know. Finally, we will prepare our third and last lime. I'll add a tablespoon of coarse salt, just like I did in the others. Now I'm going to put a little bit of cloves on him. You can use as many as you prefer. The amount is to taste. Cloves will exude a much more natural and gentle smell. In addition, they are ideal for scaring away insects like ants. After finishing all the limes, I will put them in different environments of my house. This way I will make sure that all rooms will be fragrant, clean and fragrant. I'm sure even your friends will ask you to teach them, to ask them to teach. Because it's really easy to do. With a few ingredients from day to day, we managed to make an incredible tip. I hope you liked our tip today. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.